Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to borrow money from Paycom. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Paycom does not offer traditional loans or cash advances. Instead, it provides an on-ways access feature called Everyday, which allows eligible employees to access a portion of their earned wages before earned without incurring interest or fees in most cases. Now, in order to access it, what you need to do first is head over and open up your Paycom app, and then once you're inside there, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once logged into your account, simply navigate to the payroll or everyday section. Then simply view the amount of earned wages available for early access. Then request the desired amount to transfer to your linked bank account or Paycom's Vault Visa payroll card. Then the amount you access early will be deducted from your upcoming paycheck. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.